Want to download Freeform app on iOS? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily download Freeform app on iOS device. The very first thing you want to do is move into the App Store on your device. Once the page loads, in the address bar search for Freeform. Move into this app. Right here you need to click on this icon, or you can also see the option of Get. Tap on it. It will start to install the application on your device. Wait for a while for the download to be completed. And there you go, the application has been installed successfully. Open the application by clicking on Open. Tap on Continue. Now follow the on-screen process and use the application as per your need. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.